All right, so how large a sample should be taken when we plan to carry out significance tests? The answer depends on what the alternative values of the parameter are important to detect. Here are the questions we must answer to decide how many observations we need. Significance level. How much protection do we need against a type 1 error? Getting a significant result from our sample when H0 is actually true. Practical importance. How large a difference between the hypothesized parameter value and the actual parameter is important in practice. And power. How confident do we want to be that our study will detect the difference in the size, of the size we think is important? How many observations do I need? If you insist on smaller significance levels, such as 0.1 or 1% rather than 5%, you have to take a larger sample. A smaller significance level requires stronger evidence to reject the null. So a smaller significance level, you're going to have a larger sample, all right? And so if you insist on a higher power, such as 99% power rather than 90, you will need a larger sample. High power gives a better chance of detecting a difference when it's really there. And so that's what the power is doing. At any significance level and desired power, detecting a small difference requires a large sample than detecting a large difference. So if we want to detect just a small difference, we need a large sample. And so here's your summary, and we will talk more about power of a test and type 1 and type 2 error tomorrow in class, so that you can understand better what's going on, because I'm going to assume you're pretty much not going to really get it after watching this video.